Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of SD Biosensor standard G6PD quantitative measure of G6PD enzyme activity. So guys, as you can see, this is the front view and this is the top view of the kit. This is the standard G6PD analyzer. As you can see, it is from SD Biosensor. It is standard. This is a G6PD quantitative measure of G6PD enzyme activity. So actually the instrument should be like this, and so these are these parameters. It's a quantitative point of care G6PD test. Measures G6PD and total HB simultaneously. Result in 2 minutes. Low sample volume of 10 microliter. So guys, let me show you the sides. So as you can see, this is the standard G6PD analyzer. You can see the manufacturing address over here. It is manufactured in Korea. So this is the back side of the analyzer, and this is the other side of it. So as you can see, this G6PD analyzer has one analyzer, one check strip, quick guide one, and user manual one. So as you can see, it can be stored operated between -20 to 50. It's a C certified IVD product. You can see it here. So guys, this is the G6PD analyzer. Let me open this for you. So I'm opening the top of the G6PD analyzer, and as you can see, on the top there is one cover. Let me take out this cover. So on the top there is this cover present over here. So let me open this for you. Yeah, so as you can see, the standard G6PD analyzer is present over here. It has a pouch, and this inside the pouch there is another one accessory. Let me open that for you. So here we do have the G6PD check strip. As you can see, this is the check strip for the G6PD. So each analyzing kit has one G6PD check strip. So let me keep the check strip over here, and then we have the analyzer. Let me take out the analyzer. Yeah, as you can see, this is the standard G6PD analyzer. As you can see, it is very handy, and we have the battery over here. So as you can see, this is the standard G6PD analyzer. You can see the manufacturing address, the reference number. So you can see it's very handy, very easy to use, a rapid test analyzer for analyzing G6PD. So let me keep this aside over here. And apart from that, I also see a couple of documents present here. So let me show you. Yes, so let me arrange this for you. Let me keep this here. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the SD Biosensor standard G6PD analyzer user manual. See the entire manual over here. Thank you for purchasing your standard G6PD analyzer with all the required instructions for calibration and use. So let me keep the analyzer over here. There is also an additional quick reference guide for this G6PD analyzer which comes with this package. So together this makes the standard G6PD analyzer. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of the SD Biosensor standard Q G6PD analyzer. So it comes with this pouch, the analyzer pouch. Then we have the G6PD check strip. Then we have the G6PD analyzer. Then we have the user manual. Then we have the quick reference guide. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of standard Q G6PD analyzer. Thank you.